Hey guys, and how are we doing today? Are you interested in getting involved with crypto? If you are, then you're in the right place. I can show you exactly why it's so important to get involved in some of these top 100 projects like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, XRP, Solana and Cardano. Exactly why it's so important to be involved with them and why now is the key time to be involved in crypto, and exactly how you can make incredible money in crypto coming up from the years 2024 to 2025. So if you're interested and want to get started, come over to my group here. It's on my Patreon. I'm going to be doing live weekly shows on there, showing you exactly how to get involved in crypto, how to make money in crypto, how to get started, where to buy crypto, where you should hold your crypto, etc, etc. So if you're looking to get involved, if you're looking to get started, come on over. You can find this link to this group right here on my main TikTok page. You just click this link right here and you can get started. I'll be giving live presentations weekly, guys, okay? So I'll put it in the group exactly when I'm going to do it, the time exactly, all that info. And also you'll get videos on there step by step, exactly how to get involved in crypto and what are the best projects to be buying and holding, all right, for the 2024 to 2025 bull run, which is where you make the most money in crypto. So if you're interested in getting started, just join my group right here on my main TikTok account and I'll see you there. Bye.